Look at this. I think this is what you need. Chewbacca's gonna kiss you. Chewbacca's gonna kiss you.
What's up?
Okay, Chewbacca or Darth Vader? Chewbacca or Darth Vader? Which one? Which one do you want? Chewbacca or Darth Vader? Okay, there's Chewbacca. You're a silly boy. There you go.
Do you want to take that one to playgroup with you?
Yeah, you can take him for show and tell. I don't think you have show and tell, but you can take him anyways.
I believe there's show and tell on the mom's meet and greets. But I haven't been able to go yet. Do you want Millennium Falcon or Chewbacca?
Can you make that sound? That'd be awesome if you could. Yeah. Do it. Do it. Your turn. Oh,
You're gonna break that thing, you know.